Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can see future videos. Hey, it's Scott. Have you ever wondered how elite athletes maintain such a high level of performance? You guessed it, visualization. Visualization for athletes. For example, you can watch elite professionals perform at a high level year after year. See author Elizabeth Quinn's article, Positive Self-Talk in Athletes Improves Performance. I would like to suggest that such top-level performance is not limited to just the field of athletics. It can be applied to almost any area of life. Moreover, I would like to suggest that most high-level performers use this technique on a very regular basis. Visual techniques for business. In fact, I just returned from a business conference called Insight, in which we were taught visualization techniques to improve our business performance. This technique is not only for business success, but also used to de-stress in our chaotic world. Visualization technique in practice. Imagine that you're sitting in a chair or lying on the floor. Start by breathing in through your nose and expelling the same breath through your mouth. Once you have done this a couple of times, you should hold your breath to the count of 7 and expel that breath. Do this action about 10 times while you imagine the stress floating away from your body. Or if you prefer, imagine yourself as a top-performing businessman or businesswoman who successfully completes the task or sale at a top level. Visualization practice. Imagine going into almost any situation without being nervous because you have practiced it multiple times before it becomes reality. Try to imagine what you wish to accomplish and visualize it first. The possibilities are endless. So how often should you visualize your future success? Do this at least once a day. Read my other blogs on budgeting and cryptocurrency. They are Knowing How to Create a Budget, How to Not Go Broke, How to Create a Financial Budget, and Secret Ways of Online Marketing Now Revealed.